Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the best food reviews. Today, we have something truly special to share with you. If you're on the hunt for the finest organic apples, look no further than the Amazon Fresh brand Organic Honeycrisp apples. Renowned for their crispness and sweetness, these apples are a delightful treat for anyone who appreciates quality fruit. Let's dive right in. The Amazon Fresh brand offers a 2-pound bag of these USDA Organic Honeycrisp apples, which are not only delicious but also sustainably sourced. Honeycrisp apples are famous for their unique texture and flavor profile, crunchy and juicy, with a perfect balance of sweetness and tartness that makes them a favorite among apple lovers. Whether you enjoy them raw, in a salad, or baked into your favorite dessert, these apples will not disappoint. Now, let's talk about what makes these apples stand out nutritionally. Each medium-sized apple contains approximately 95 calories, 4.4 grams of dietary fiber, and a good dose of vitamin C. Eating apples is linked to numerous health benefits, including improved heart health, weight management, and digestive health. Plus, as they are certified USDA organic, you can feel good about the quality of what you're consuming, knowing that no harmful pesticides or chemicals have been used in their growth. In addition to their taste and health benefits, these Honeycrisp apples come with the added bonus of being part of the Climate Pledge Friendly initiative. This means they are produced in a way that supports sustainability and responsible farming practices. With a commitment to eco-friendly sourcing, the Amazon Fresh brand ensures that these apples are not just good for you, but also good for the planet. One of the best things about Honeycrisp apples is their versatility. They are perfect for snacking, but they can also elevate your culinary creations. Imagine adding slices to a vibrant salad, making a homemade apple pie, or even using them to create a refreshing apple crisp. The possibilities are endless, and their distinct crunch will add texture and flavor to any dish. In conclusion, if you're looking for a delicious and nutritious snack or ingredient to enhance your meals, the Amazon Fresh brand Organic Honeycrisp apples are an excellent choice. With their top-notch flavor, impressive nutritional profile, and commitment to sustainability, these apples are truly the best organic apples you can find on the market today. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming reviews. Happy eating, and we'll see you in the next video.